Hey guys, it's Christina. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy microwave Nutella cookie. If you love Nutella and you love cookies, then this is the perfect recipe for you. All you need are a few simple ingredients and a microwave. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to mix all your ingredients in a bowl. For your ingredients, you'll need a 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of Nutella or any chocolate spread, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of chocolate chips. After that, you're just going to take a fork and mix all your ingredients together. You want to make sure all your ingredients are nicely folded together. You can use a spatula or continue using your fork, but I think the easiest way is using your hands. So once you're finished, you should get something that looks like this. After that, you're going to place your cookie dough on a microwavable plate lined with some parchment paper. And you're going to start forming a cookie shape. If you want, an optional step is adding additional chocolate chips on top of your cookie before you put it in your microwave. So now we're ready for the microwaving. You're going to pop your cookie in the microwave for 45 seconds. And after that, you're finished. You want to be careful when you're taking your cookie out because it's going to be really hot. And you want to leave your cookie to set in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes before you take it out. The cookie itself is super chewy, and you can really taste the Nutella. This is definitely one of my go-to recipes when I'm craving something light, simple, and sweet. This is a great no-bake recipe that anyone can make, and I definitely recommend you try this out. Please thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for future videos. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Christina.